So what are the incentives of building your application on the blockchain? So the first, and I think the most important incentive, is tokenization. So tokenization allows developers to represent real or digital assets on chain, turning anything from currencies and stocks into in-game items and arts into tradable tokens. This creates new opportunities for monetization and innovation, as tokens can be used to incentivize behavior, grant access to services, and represent ownership. For developers, tokenization means they can design economic models where users actively participate in value creation and exchange, enabling business models to go beyond the limitation of traditional application. So, for example, in our case, when we build the Miming DApp, which is a bridge between Solana and Exode, it uses a token called Miming. And Miming can be bought directly in Dex Screener. And this is the current price. So in other words, your application can also be tokenized. You can have your own currency on your own application, which you could sell in the market. So for in our case, Miming, you could buy Miming here. And if you buy and if the price go up, you make money. That's the first incentive that you could get if you're building an application in the blockchain.